You work hard, you clock in, clock out, yet somehow your bank account always seems to betray you. Inflation is eating away your paycheck, your 9 to 5 feels like a financial treadmill, and the dream of financial freedom, it's starting to feel like just that, a dream. But what if I told you there's a way out? That in 2025, the right skills could be the difference between struggling to make ends meet and living life on your terms. Today, I'm revealing the best high-income skills that will put you ahead of 99% of people. Skills that not only pay well, but also give you control over your time and your future. And one of these skills? It's in such high demand that companies are practically begging for people to learn it. Stick with me till the end, because that one might just change your life. Oh, and before we start, let me just say, if your plan is to manifest financial freedom without action, well, let me know how that works out for you. All right, let's talk solutions. Not just any skills, but recession-proof, automation-proof, high-income skills that will keep you thriving in 2025 and beyond. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. If AI was a wave before, in 2025, it's a tsunami. The question is, will you ride it or get wiped out? AI is reshaping every industry: healthcare, finance, marketing, you name it. And companies are paying big for people who understand AI development, machine learning models, or even just how to integrate AI into business processes. Six-figure salaries, standard, job security. But here's the catch. If you don't adapt, AI won't just replace low-skilled jobs, it will replace you. And if AI sounds too techy for you, don't worry, because our next skill, it's something you can start today. No tech background required. Number 2, high-ticket sales and persuasion. You don't need to be a tech genius to make serious money. You just need to know how to sell. And I'm not talking about sleazy car salesman tactics. I'm talking about high-ticket sales, closing deals for luxury services, real estate, coaching programs, or even B2B contracts. If you can sell a $10,000 plus service, you can make commissions that outshine most salaries. Ever wonder why the best salespeople drive Ferraris while the average employee drives a 10-year-old Honda? Now you know. The best part? You don't need a degree. You just need to master persuasion, emotional intelligence, and negotiation. Skills that will serve you for life. But what if you prefer to make money while barely talking to people? Well, then skill number 3 might be your golden ticket. Number 3, copywriting and digital marketing. If you've ever been persuaded to buy something online, guess what? A copywriter made that happen. Copywriting and digital marketing are the engines behind every successful online business. Whether it's email marketing, paid ads, or SEO, businesses are desperate for experts who can turn words into revenue. And here's the kicker. AI can't replace a copywriter who truly understands human psychology. In fact, AI tools are making great copywriters even more valuable. Plus, let's be real, who wouldn't want to make 6 figures by writing emails in their pajamas? Number 4, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Every single day, hackers steal millions from businesses, and companies are desperate for cybersecurity experts who can keep their data safe. Ethical hackers, yes, the legal kind, are making anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000 plus per year. And guess what? Cybercrime is only going up. The question is, will you be the one stopping the threats, or will you be one of their victims? But what if you want something that combines creativity with high income? Our final skill is perfect for you. Number 5, video content creation and monetization. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Video isn't the future, it's the now. And the best part, you don't need to show your face. With the rise of faceless content, AI-generated videos, and automation, you can make money while staying completely behind the scenes. Imagine waking up to thousands of dollars because a video you made months ago is still making money. Passive income at its finest. So, there you have it. 5 high-income skills that can completely transform your financial future in 2025. The only question left is, which one will you master? But before you go, let me tell you, none of these skills will make you rich overnight. But do you know what will? Understanding the power of compounding. It's the one financial concept that separates the rich from the broke. Click on this video right here, and I'll show you exactly how to make your money work for you. Your future self will thank you. See you there.